morning, everyone. Pastor Paul, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Brother Mike, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Evangelist Amaka, how are you?
I'm fine.
How's your family?
Fine, sir. Yes.
Thank God. And why I called this meeting this morning is because of the way things are going on in our church. As you can see, this is almost 3 good years plus we opened this church and nothing is happening at all. We cannot eat, we cannot wear good clothes, we don't even have members, not even one rich man. So I have been so worried about all these things. That is why I decided to call this meeting so that we can discuss and see the way forward.
Pastor, before you even say this, sir, I've been worried about it. In fact, the way things are going is giving me concern. Pastor, you have to sit up. That is all I can say now. You have to sit up.
Sir, just like what? You need to sit up. You make mention of the young minister and just behind us here, that people just run for your dear life from minister. Good. It's like those scars. Just 1 year. So what people need now is vision, prophecy, signs and wonders. The only thing we do here is die by fire. I know because not dying. No. Pastor, did I say well?
What shall we do?
Your mic. Answer the question. Thank you, sir. Evangelist, yes. Sir, I am answering this question because of the way you asked us. You know, we are the committee.
Yes.
You know, they say, upon this rock will build our church, and the gate of hell shall never prevail. Sir, I've not gone there before, but I know somewhere. Okay? A spiritual woman. Sir, if we visit this people, when we come back, I give you 3 minutes. You'll be bigger than that with these ministers.
Are you serious?
You'll be going on convoy. Yes. No bloodshed, nothing. Yes, we change.
Hold on, please. I hope you are not talking about visiting a native doctor.
No,
Not at
native doctor. We call it spiritual
Woman.
Sir, if we go there and come back, she will not turn to your spiritual mother.
So.
Our spiritual mother.
Not so.
Yes.
Pastor Paul,
Gio.
okay, no problem. So, what shall we do now?
No, let's be going like this. Let's be going now.
Are you very serious?
Delay is dangerous.
But can we make it tomorrow morning?
No problem. Anything you say is what we need.
Go everything you go just as you have just said.
Exactly.
Chikena, are you very serious? At least somebody can now change clothes.
Yes,
please change car. Good. Feed well. And get richer. Please.
Greetings, Queen Mother.
Greetings, Queen Mother.
Welcome, the children.
Queen Mother, this
Wait, I know why you are here. Didn't you see the chief while you walked in?
It's all that comes up.
That man is a man of God. Like you. I know what he wants, and that which you seek, you shall find. You will see. You will hear. You will raise the dead. And you shall do signs and wonders. But drink. 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 Drink it. Drink it. Drink! 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 Don't.
Thank you, little mother. Just like that.
Wait! There is no gift without sacrifice. You will give me newborn babies every 6 months. Until you to do that, you shall die. You will eat the feet of birds every 6 months. And failure to do so, you shall run mad. And you 7 virgins every 6 months. And failure to do so, you will run mad.
Don't do that,
And you, every 6 months, you shall run mad on the streets of Lagos. That is the price you must pay for the gift you seek. You can go!